This is before I put the new lift assist on. And this is after I put the new one on. Wow, look at the difference. But this is my Toyota Tundra. It's a 2007. So this is the first time I ever changed it. But I ordered this offline, this little simple lift assist, and it's really easy to change. I say you can do it in probably 10 or 15 minutes. And I'm recording this and showing you how easy it is. This is what it looks like straight out the package. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and loosen up the clips. As you see, I completely took them off, both of them off. And once you take them off, just sit them off to the side. Make sure you got that T30 torque. That's all you need. We're gonna go ahead and take this screw right here. It's a torque. You take this one. Put it off to the side. And just pull this off. And there's some little tabs right here. You see right here, these tabs, they just slide right in here. So it's two of them, one right here and one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and take the lift support off. First, you see right there, I took that little tab off there on the top. And then I'm gonna go to the bottom and take the other one off. Just get you a little screwdriver or something that you could slide in and pop those off. And once you take them off, take it off, you get your new one. And you put the bottom on first. You see I got the clamps. And then you slide this other one back a little bit. But it's really simple when you look at it. You can't hardly see here, but then you slide it on and you notice it won't reach. So what I had to do is raise the tailgate a little bit. That'll make that lift move up so I can put it on that ball there. I'm gonna see if I can move out the way so you can see it. You see right there, and you hear it click in place, and that's it. So once I got that done, that was it. It's that simple. So I'm gonna open it up and just show you how it acts. Now, you see? Look at that, real smooth. So you saw what it did before, and you see what it does after now. Just let it go, and there you go. That's how easy it is to put that on. Then what you want to do is just put everything on the way you took it off. You know, you get your torque screws, put those two screws in, line everything up, and tighten it down. And these screws are really easy to strip out, so you probably want to get you some spare ones somewhere offline or go to one of your hardware stores. Once you got everything back on, you good to go. If you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.